bear, but... Oh! Damn! That was kind of a dick move. I don't know where I'm going to continue from. Do I still have my stuff? Okay, that's how I got out of there. But now I don't know what the hell I'm supposed to be doing, so... I'll be back in a minute. I just need to... Probably... I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll probably just go back there. Probably need to talk to the police. Right, and we are back. Sorry for that. Apparently I might have screwed something up in the game, because apparently, and now I've learned that maybe I should always do that, talking to people in this game is very helpful, due to the fact that I didn't know this, but apparently I missed the second song. The monkeys singing was not part of the second song. It's actually, I guess, the third one. I'm supposed to go in here. Probably need money. Let's see. Should be foods. Pet. Here we go. What about 85? No. Do I actually get it, or did I have with my inventory? Okay. So, there's this canary chick, and I'm supposed to take it to some kind of canary sanctuary or some crap like that. So, woo! Let's save right quick. So, I am actually enjoying this game. It's been pretty fun. Pretty interesting, very innovative. Oh, I'm gonna level up soon, too. That's always lovely. I walked around for like 90 minutes trying to figure out what the hell I was supposed to do. So I actually found the way to the next town I'm supposed to be going to. I don't know if I was supposed to go to the to that giant shell thing and get the Ocarina, but I have it, so whatever. Breaking games is what I'm all about, apparently. I went the wrong way. I should have went this road. So from now on, I'll probably talk to, probably end up talking to people, because I guess I'm supposed to do the canary thing first, before I went and saved Pippi. Okay, so at this sign, I'm supposed to go this way, and then, here we go. This sign should say something about the Canary Sanctuary. Canary Village Wildlife Refuge. Okay, whatever. And, okay, so now I'm going to have to fight things that are probably super weak now, because I'm level 12, and I should have actually been doing this when I was like, before I reached level 5 or 6. It's one of the starting missions. Now I just need to find out where this stupid village is at. Fuck you, Wally, get out of here. I must have bashed in like 1,000 Wallies on the way to wherever it was I thought I was going. Yeah, there we go. Next level! Next level, yeah! And I learned a new Psy. I don't think I checked the last time I learned a new Psy. Okay, here's a wall. And I think I saw something move in it, so... What in the fuck are you? Wait, stop moving around. Okay. So, from what I know of this, I guess these things aren't going to talk to me till I go return this to the fucking mother. This looks a lot like the graveyard. What in the fuck are you? Well, it would have been helpful if you... Right. Well, this game likes to piss me off because I need to... There's a bird out there too. Great. That's probably the mother too. Oh, this game can eat my ass. What is this fuckery? This is annoying. Oh god, Family Guy's on fucking Family Guy. Why is this one silver? Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, okay. I found her. Yay! Okay, so that's... Ah! Okay, so that's the third tune that we just got. So, Iggy, go ahead and jump cut us. Alright, so this guy's asking me to do something for him, so fixing the spoon with my psychic powers, apparently. Wait, to spin the night here? Yes, that's good. Okay, so I guess I can use his house for this. Please come again. Promise me you'll come again. Creepy little man, but okay. Alright, so now I've got like a shit ton of money with me. Let's go see what I can get here. I actually did take a shit ton of money, so. Forget what any of these do. Oh god, it's so expensive. These weren't. I don't think these. Some of these were in the pricing range, or in the pricing range in the thing. Alright, there's also supposed to be something like a fountain or some shit too, so. Can I? Actually, I guess I can. Okay, I can't. Okay. What is this? Yeah, I'm talking to a bush, sorry. Oh, well, I'll remember to smoke that later. Red weed for all your red weeding needs. There's supposed to be a fountain or something over this way somewhere. Or I thought there was. I don't know where it's at. Okay, there's more red weed. Apparently if you find this fountain you can throw magic herbs in. Oh, no, fuck. God damn it. I hate this thing, it's so powerful. I need to get, apparently there's an item called the H2O pendant or some shit like that, and it'd probably be good to use against this because I think it lessens damage from fire-based enemies or whatever, but and these things always burst into fucking flames and attack me with a shit ton of damage, so. Let's see. Oh, fuck. Life up. Okay. I don't know where this stupid fucking fountain is. Oh, no. I do not want to fight these things. Where is... 4th D slip. Can it be used to get away from these things? Okay, good. That is a hospital. Where is this fountain at? We just spend all our time fucking looking for a fountain. Lovely. That's a forest. Goddamn forest. Beat the shit out of Four Eyes. I'm actually getting really tired here, folks. I've been playing this for quite some time now. Most of it I've been cutting out because, you know, time discrepancy. Where's... oh, wait. It's over here? Can I use the map here? I guess not. Whoa, what are those? How do I get over there? I didn't see that before. It's... goddamn bridge. I do not want to deal with these assholes. Because I know that since there's one, he's probably going to call in more people, so I'm just going to leave and get the fuck away from Wooden Gumby. Oh, god damn it. What now? Oh, no. I was reading about this. Apparently, these things leave and they give you a shit ton of XP. Holy crap. All you have to do is sit there and guard till they leave. So, as you can plainly see. I'm assuming this is the fountain. Did it really? I mean, it recovered health. It didn't give me any extra to... I regained my strength at Queen Mary's Fountain. There are a great many holes east of town. The sound of another world can be heard from them. Yeah, la-di-da. Let's, check this fountain. Can I talk to the fountain? Can I use my sigh? The soulful cry of the benevolent man. Did you call me up? Yes. Do you need money? Yes. How much did you want to withdraw? Let's withdraw another 1,000 now. Oh wait. Goods. Ah. God damn it. Okay. Get out of the way. Oh good, my game decided to crap itself again. Okay, so, whatever. Right, so he gives me money, I can use that thing to sleep and recover whenever I want. Uh-oh. Here we go again. So just guard against Groucho and he'll go away and give me some XP. Damn! That was like almost 100 XP. Apparently they give you more than if you fight them, so... I'm definitely taking this. Let's see what some of the other protection crap is. Should probably get the fucking magic coin. Gold ring's fucking expensive, so it's hopefully it's good. Mr. Pickles is coming on at some point. Gotta love Mr. Pickles. Gold ring. Use. Hooked it gold ring. Holy fuck. I don't know if that was actually because of the ring or not. I have 3 of the melodies. Apparently I also missed an item, one of the items, because I got the stone instead of the boomerang. I need to go get more money. Let me just go heal up. I don't remember whose house. I think it was that middle one, though. Was it this one? No. Maybe it was the one that I walked into and I was like, nope. It's probably this one. Okay, so I gotta remember that that's free that, and then there's somebody else that I can use to save. And then the way to get out is through one of those fucking weird ass wells. So I gotta go back to Orson Field in order to fucking get out of here. Get out of here! I don't know. Oh, Smash 4 for the Wii U. My brother and I gotta ask our mom for Christmas. And if not, I'm gonna have to do something else. I mean, get something else, not do something else. So telepathy comes in really handy in this world. For some reason. I'm gonna be stuck with like 200 left, whatever. I need to get that other thing. I don't know if I can equip it to him as well. Ah, fucking A. Good thing I decided to recover all that shit, because this fucking bears are difficult as shit. And that thing pretty much, the sky one pretty much one hit killed me, so. Goddamn snap. I don't want to deal with this either, I'm just gonna run. Because these guys also take forever to defeat, so whatever. I'm gone. That uses up a lot of fucking PP. Okay, the eyes aren't that difficult to beat, so I need to beat something in order to get money anyway, so. I don't think I'll get the next character The next time, I assume it's the girl, but I'm not entirely sure, so... Okay. Magic coin. Why'd they always say that? You mean blah blah blah? Because you fucking already said it. But no, I don't want anything else. Everything is expensive. Get the fuck out of my face. I think it was this house. We'll recover some shit and then try and find the stupid... The stupid fucking wells. There's supposed to be a way out of here and into the field, but I guess I have to actually go through the opening. I tried not to read too far as in just the fucking guide so that I wouldn't spoil anything for myself, so... Okay, one of these wells is the actual well, and I don't know how I'm supposed to find it. Maybe I'm just keep walking until I hit one. Or get attacked by an enemy. Ah, this fucker. Did I buy the H2O pendant? I don't think I bought the H2O pendant. I probably should have bought the H2O pendant. I need to go back. Use the wicked seed. Apparently there's no effect on me when it uses the wicked seed, but I need to get that stupid pendant so its fire damage doesn't do that much damage to me. That's actually a shit ton of damage. Hey, yeah, leveled up, whoop-de-fucking-do. I think this place is also a good place for grinding, and because there's no way to turn off the enemies in this, I can pretty much come back whenever. Okay, none of these over here are the ones, so... Mom's eyes. These are some weird-ass enemies, man. Oh, I forgot to check to see if I could use the... Oh, fuck me. I also don't know what the size stone does. I should probably look that up, but whatever. Is it goods? Okay, so do I still have both? Okay. So the coin in the ring can stay equipped. Equipped. The magic coin upped my fucking fight? I don't remember my fight being that high. I missed... Apparently, when I got the size stone, I missed the boomerang. Which would have been useful as shit, because apparently it would have helped me whoop people left and right, but... I didn't get it, so... You know, small price to pay. I don't think I have enough money to actually get it. Wait, I do have money, I just need to go back and get it. Did I use it? No. I haven't used the runaway thing yet. So, I'll just save it for when I need to use it. Mom eyes aren't that powerful, so I can whoop them pretty easily. Fucking continuous attack. You're supposed to pick the red weed, you drop it in the fountain, and it gives you magic herb, and I don't remember what magic herb does, because it said what the effects of magic herb were, but I forget things very easily, so... I just recovered all my fucking HP. I think I recovered PP. No, I haven't used any of it yet, that's why. Wait, I have an H2O pendant? God damn it. Okay, so all of those are done. I don't think it upped anything, so... Let's get the hell out of here. Let's go find the well and... do the get out of Magnuson the correct way instead of breaking the damn game. Oh, that's fucking bad. Okay, so my game shat itself and did the tune twice. hate running into this little, like, green bear. It's a really creepy bear, to be honest. It's like, I want to be your friend. And then it, like, fucking calls in Sky Bear, and it's like, I'm gonna murder you! Really, I'm tempted to talk about Project M. Project M is a Super Smash game, or a Super Smash. It's a mod for Super Smash Brothers Brawl. You put it on. You put the program on a SD card, and then you slide it in. Oh, that was interesting. Uh-oh. Dad's eyes and watcher, and mom's eyes. Is it just like a family? The mom doesn't really do too much damage, but she has a continuous attack, which is kind of irritating. I need to snuff the dad's eyes out pretty. I should probably hit the watcher. The watcher's probably the easiest one to kill. But I already hit the dad, so I think the next attack should kill it. The mom keeps doing continuous attacks. This is some real, like, I know I keep saying it, but some really interesting enemies in this game. Uh-oh. Damn. This critical did 14 damage to me. What the hell? Fuck you, kid. You die. Now it's mommy's turn to die. Her continuous attack is fucking irritating. I'm glad it doesn't do too much damage. And I murdered it. I guess the dad was the tougher of all of them, because I pretty much beat that one in a small amount of time. Four Eyes. God damn you, Four Eyes. Why am I fighting eyes anyways? What? There's like no story behind these creatures that I'm fighting. It's like, okay, I can understand fighting a centipede despite the fact that the centipede looks really fucking weird. I can understand fighting it because it's a creature in the forest, so... Should probably heal up. I don't know what I'm gonna fight, so... I learned a new Psy. I don't know what I learned, so... What the hell? Okay. God damn it. This is fucking irritating right here. I'll probably read through to see if I missed anything later on, and if I missed anything, I'll just go back and get it off screen and I'll, you know, tell you what I got. The mom should be dead. I thought I already hit her enough. I guess I should have attacked the watcher. Aw, fucking goddamn it. So grew by 20. Alright, well fuck you then. I'm killing the watcher right now because fuck him. Die already! Come on! All of you need to die now. Kid, you're dead. And apparently that made him fly into a rage. Offense increased by 0. And this continuous attack bullshit is getting annoying. Okay, so the mom's dead finally. The dad's doing moderate damage now because his offense went up, so... So now I need to use my fucking life up. Cover some fucking health here. Can I not? I cannot go into that corner, so... I don't see anything else.